Today I'll show you exactly how to insert a code snippet into a Jira ticket, step by step. If you've ever found yourself copying code into Jira and watching it lose all its formatting, don't worry, you're not alone. By the end of this video, you'll know the best way to paste code so it stays readable and neat, making communication with your teammates much smoother. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you need to open Jira. If you already have Jira open in your browser, great. If not, just type in your company's Jira URL and log in. It might sound obvious, but starting with the right project and the right instance of Jira is crucial. Think of it as making sure you're on the right train before you start your journey. Now, once you're in Jira, you'll want to find the ticket where you want to add your code. Maybe it's a bug you're reporting, a user story, or just a comment for one of your teammates. Click on that ticket to open it up. Sometimes Jira can take a moment to load, so don't worry if it spins for a few seconds. Just wait for the full ticket details to appear. Next, look for the description field, or wherever you want to add your code snippet. This is usually in the main part of the ticket, right beneath the summary. Click into the description so your cursor appears. This spot is where you can add all the details for your ticket and, importantly, where we'll be pasting our code. Alright, here comes the part that trips a lot of people up, inserting the code block. Near the top of the description editor, you'll see a little toolbar filled with formatting options. Things like bold, italic, bullet points, and more. Scan through that toolbar until you spot the symbol that looks a bit like a pair of curly braces, usually labeled as code block or just code. If you hover over the icon and see Insert Code Snippet, you're in the right place. Don't worry if your toolbar looks a little different. Some versions of Jira display a few icons, and you might need to click a drop-down or More button to find the code block option. Once you find it, go ahead and click the code block button. What this does is it inserts a special area into the description where code will keep all its formatting. This is really important. Pasting code as plain text might squash everything into a big, unreadable mess. But using the code block tells Jira, hey, keep this exactly as it is. Now, it's time to paste in your code snippet. Maybe you copied it from your IDE, from another ticket, or just from Notepad. Wherever it's from, just paste it right between the code block markers. You'll see that the text looks different, usually in a monospaced font with a shaded background, making it much easier to read. This helps you and your teammates easily spot code in a long ticket description and keeps things professional and tidy. Almost done. Take a second to look over your snippet. Just double-check that all your line breaks, indentations, and symbols are showing up properly. If anything looks out of place, you can repaste or adjust inside the code block. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. In Jira, the Save button might be labeled Save on Update or similar. Just make sure to click it before you close the ticket. If you navigate away without saving, your carefully formatted code snippet might disappear, and no one wants that hassle. And that's it. You've now added a well-formatted code snippet to your Jira ticket. Simple, but super effective for keeping your tickets clear and collaborative. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own about using Jira. And if you want more straightforward tech tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Jira tickets.